If your brand sounds like many other brands out there is a reason for that. Most entrepreneurs use the same words over and over again. Words like helpful and passionate or high quality, right? These words all sound very nice, but they do not tell people much about your business, right? I'm LaMorvielle, and this is Brand Impact 365. I post one video every day here on the channel for 1 year while I study strong brands, rebuild my business, and share what I am learning with you. Here's the main problem. Your words that you choose, okay, they don't describe you. If someone cannot tell what makes you different, okay, from everybody else, they're not going to remember you. Okay, strong brands do something very simple. They make very clear choices and they choose who they help, they choose what they focus on, and they choose what they do or don't do. Okay, this just makes things so much easier for not just the company, the business, but for people, customers to understand what they're offering, what they're saying, right? Just makes it super easy to understand their business and brand message. Here's another reason why brands usually sound the same. There are a lot of entrepreneurs that try to talk to everyone at once. Okay. When you try to talk to everyone, your message actually becomes a lot weaker. Okay. Strong brands actually talk to one clear group of people, and that's going to make their message sound a lot stronger. Right? Because that one message is directing right to that audience, and those audience, anybody who, you know, they're looking for this message, right? They're going to be attracted a lot quicker and faster to that message versus you're just shouting a generic message to everyone and hoping to catch, you know, whoever comes by to hear it, right? Um, and this is the most important part here. Just because your business might sound the same like other businesses, again, it's not because, that's making your business sound boring. What it actually is doing is just making it makes it seem like that you as a business owner do not have enough direction and you don't understand what it is that you're offering, what products, what services that you're offering, right? So, and also when you're focusing it's also not making your brand smaller, right, or tinier. It's actually making your brand seem clearer and bigger, right, more valuable, more authentic, which is what we want as an impactful brand business owner. And this is one of the first things that I've been working on while I've been building my own brand, and sharing this process with you here on Brand Impact 365. So if these videos are, bringing some clarity to your business, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, my friend. I appreciate your support. This is a channel that will help you, understand your brand easier and help other people remember your brand, showing you how to build trust, things like that. So again, I appreciate your support. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. All right, my friends, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.